Thank you.
Enjoy.
Amazing.
Oh, thank you so much.
You did more one, yeah. And no milk, nothing in there.
Oh, right, okay, cool.
So that's...
Was it tea or coffee?
Tea.
Tea.
Do you want milk?
Yeah, I'll put a bit of milk in. How many of these cups do you have?
Well, so far I found 3. I don't know if I've got any more because I have some actual mugs too. Good coffee, this. When's Luke coming?
Is it?
I never...
He's been sat in a holding area for an hour.
Still there. Just check it's the right one because sometimes they keep like different presents. You can have pens though. Stab it with a pen.
No, sorry,
Yeah. Pen.
thank you.
Pen.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much.
You can sign off your paperwork with that.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. I'm just wondering if you need a pen as well. Oh, just in case. I'm scared.
You pull that throttle.
I don't know why. Ah! I'm doing it. You can start the truck over there. Bring your camera, I'll show you. Oh my god.
Have you used the throttle yet?
I do know how to bike.
Pull the throttle.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey, I'm doing it! Oh, look, I can do it. I like it now. Whee! The turns are still a bit wobbly, but wicked, man. I love it. Can I go once more? Just one more. I'm like a kid in a shop. I'm fast, can you get it? Oh god, I don't know how. Thank you so much. It's lots of fun. I'm still wobbly, I don't know why. Could be the hangover.
It's quite handy it folds up, doesn't it?
The hangover.
I feel like, yeah, that's nice. I like that little gear. Does it all for you? Nice. He made it! He made it! He's here! Haha! Hi! How's it going?
Beep, 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 beep.
Dude!
Seeing a HGV.
What the hell? You took your time?
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, you're right.
Hi! Hi!
Take your shoes off in that truck.
I'm not coming. So gorgeous to see. Hello, darling. Oh, you're lovely. You get stuck. I think he likes me. Yeah, he does.
Someone has to.
Luke, be nice. Hi. Hi. Oh, you got your baby. That's your baby.
I have a dog. We literally run and just want to play a lot.
I'll see you again, I'm sure. And thank you for the ride.
My bike has a little bit of fame.
Yes, and the sticker. I like that. That is adorable. Thank you.
My mum's a knackered night.
Yeah. This says Creators Corner.
Avoid the potholes, avoid the bumps. I've got to try to get my feet.
We got cake.
We got cake! Because we're creators! Farmers, they look so young, don't they? You can't see past them.
Stop!
Stop! Babes, you made it! Woo! Yes, babe, we got it!
Party going on!
Woohoo! Come on!
Keep it a bit tighter than Luke's, this is where the shelter's going to go.
Yeah. Where's it got a fridge? Where are you going here? Yeah,
Must be
office.
power station.
I'm tiny.
You tiny coming in?
Thank you.
Where we going?
Tighter to Luke, tighter.
Okay, cool.
What you up to?
I've just thought I'd say hello to, just good to see you actually, Lena. Just you, nobody else.
Thanks. I've been waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Like all day.
Yeah,
like, what is it?
It's
What is-
2.5 hours.
I don't know where.
The window's open, don't fall off.
2.5 hours,
that
man. Yeah.
A bit more. There we go. Finally!
Welcome!
Plugs! Yeah. You lost weight, mate.
Thank you so much. You've been amazing. Very good assistant
Yeah.
to the creator of Devon Truck Show.
Yes. Alright, Grandad.
Never. He wouldn't forget you.
Strip lighting.
Got a spare room.
Yeah.
Have you got power?
We're going
We
to.
will.
There she is.
Yeah.
Oh, hail the king!
Protector of the realm.
Hail the king!
Wow. What do you think about that?
My liege. Oh, King Kev.
As he stands over his oh boy.
Oh, that looks mexy. Doesn't it? Some mexy, baby. Do it again.
I'm drinking tequila roads out of a wheel nut.
Baby, I can't wait. Baby, I get my focus when I see you right, you what I want. Can you stay for life, for life, for life? Dime que me quieres, dime que yo soy para ti. Oh, baby, que me tienes. Baby, don't tell, baby, don't tell. I guess I don't wonder if you think about me. I'll let me be your lover.
so
Lovely.
it cleans up alright. So.
Oh, hey.
We're going to do
You look
this.
so great. You're so great. You got me waiting. 'Cause we have a day.
Thank you, Andrew.
Baby, I can't wait. Baby, I get my focus. When I see you right, you what I want to ride. Can you stay for life, for life, for life? Dime que me quieres. Dime que yo soy por ti. Oh, baby, que me tienes. Baby, tonta, baby, tonta. I guess I don't wonder.
It's not easy being a creator. It takes forever. Would you like the donut? See you in a minute. I love your truck. Amazing.
They've been looking everywhere for you. Oh my
Oreo.
god, that's actually hot.
I know, good. I'm racing it back to keep on warm. Fair play. Also, my back. I'm sorry. I got donuts. Yay! It took a bit longer than expected.
It goes on his nose.
Oh,
It's so much better.
You do it like. Oh, I don't know how to do that. Long time no see.
Get you once, you passed in my house, I get you the photo from the big truck,
of
and
course.
lots of people is get you the lots of comments, you know what I mean?
Darling, thank you. I don't have the lights yet.
Fantastic,
But
yeah.
maybe one day, maybe one day.
It's fantastic that you're running around, you know, and
It's
everything.
good.
Yeah.
Trevor's there. I brought him with me because straight after work I'm here. Straight before work, I'm going straight on
Get
Monday.
you.
Yeah.
Get the fun.
Nice to see you.
And you. And there's also Lena Trucker around.
Thank you.
My truck is the one with no lights whatsoever. I can't afford lights. I'm not as rich as Luke. See, am I? Huh?
Is it the yellow one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's white with the yellow Lena Trucker sticker on. Let's go have a look.
I like the old-fashioned one.
Yeah. Wicked, aren't they?
Yeah.
But his name is Chalker. And my trailer is behind. My trailer's name is Trevor.
Trevor.
Yeah, Trucker and Trevor. We'll truck along together. Actually, I do have some lights, only on the inside.
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Oh, it's been a long day.
Right.
I like your carpet.
Yeah.
It's like mine, only 100 times better.
There's something dirty there.
Oh. Oh my god. They're everywhere. Oh, it's the Colin mirrors. Oh, you got eye shift.
Yes.
You have to start the engine to the horn.
No, because it's an air horn, so you need to build some air up. This one doesn't work. It's rewired to these.
You need a Turkish whistle. Whip, 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 whip.
I really do. I want one so bad. I want some sort of horn. My horn is rubbish.
Does that button work?
What is that for?
Power.
Yeah, it does.
Like,
I've got power!
you know there's another button there, don't you? Ah, you didn't know that was there, did you?
No, what does it do?
That is when you, sometimes on Volvos, they kind of get stuck in gear, or they won't go in gear.
Oh.
So you press that and do something magical, and then it will then start.
I can work some magic. I will be playing with this non-stop. See?
Oh no, I can't see anyone.
Yeah, it's fine. You don't need to see that. It's not working. That's making my ears also.
This is louder than yours.
Woo!
Actually,
Lovely, isn't it?
yes. Where's your
I like my world.
drinks, Lena?
Do you want I only have gin, I think.
No, I've got beer. But
I am.
that's the same as mine, and then you can make it brighter or darker.
Yeah.
You've got a bulb gone.
Oh, shit.
2 bulbs gone.
It's okay. I hardly use them.
I'm gonna.
Alfie. I think.
Is that your?
I think you might want to see you.
Yeah, he will.
You can always come back.
I will do.
Not sorry.
Oh yeah, we've got your calendar up at my work in the office, and they use it as well.
Alfie.
Facebook as well.
Can't see your eyes. I can't see your eyes. Here, have you seen my hair? I have a picture. I have a picture in your hat. I know that you have trusted me with your heart once before. Therefore, I think we can do this once for the picture, one for the video. See, my hair looks 1000% better.
I just
1000.
there's something about a cowboy hat.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Anyway, you can have it back. Unless you want me to have it. But would you like something else instead? I have key rings. Way more than you have. Let's face it. Okay. Thank you. What is that? In the doghouse. Is that your podcast?
Yeah.
What's that about?
Basically, we talk rubbish for 2 hours a week.
About truckers?
Anything. Truckers to OnlyFans.
Ew, that's gone rusty. You don't want it? I don't want it either. Sorry, carry on.
Truckers, OnlyFans, agri blokes.
OnlyFans?
Everything.
Tell me more. Do you know Trucker Buddy?
Yes, it's a podcast. 2 hours a week.
Remove before send.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Take it before you send it.
What do you mean take it? It's
Remove
mine.
it before you send
But
it.
it's mine already. It's mine.
Yeah, it's yours.
I'm not going to remove. From where? From the key? I'm not
Don't
going to
worry.
send my key anywhere.
So,
it's going to go on my key.
it's a flight tag.
Okay. What does that mean? Sorry. I should have been blonde. I know. I have a hat. Right. Flight. What?
So it's
Do you
a
want to
flight
swap?
tag.
Just for a second. No?
No, I'm alright.
Okay. Flight tag.
Which were attached to aeroplane people.
Like airplane is going past and
Yeah.
you're like, will you marry me?
No, like
But instead of that it says remove before send. I still don't get it. I'm sorry, but please explain.
that's on your flight tag. So like on your ejector seat. So you'd pull that if you were in some
Trouble.
kind of accident.
Is that an English thing?
Honestly, I don't really know. It
I
might
get
be.
where you're coming from because there's like a thing that way you
Yeah.
can cut the
Ejector
seatbelt.
seat.
Yeah, you eject yourself and you got your seatbelt and you can get out. Is that the one?
No, that's in a car.
So this is for flying.
Yeah,
And your podcast is about flying. With dogs.
it's not about flying.
Oh, why are you not making sense to me right now? In the doghouse.
Yeah. So that's what the podcast is called, In the Doghouse.
Why does it call that?
So it was a thing me and my mate created. Reg's not here, he's gone home. Where'd you go when you're in trouble with the missus?
Doghouse.
In the doghouse.
Yes, you do.
In the
You
fucking-
have to.
Yeah,
Nowhere else to go. But
So-
this, what is this?
it's a flight tag.
Before send. But he's in the doghouse. He's not flying. He's in the doghouse somewhere in the ground.
Yeah,
Like in the underground.
we just do
Like the
what.
wine cellar.
Yeah,
Which is kind of cool because if you're in the doghouse with a lot of wine, I am coming. Remove before send. I'm gonna have to Google it. It's probably like a saying or something, and you're not saying it.
Here, Mark. Tom, I reckon your missus is right ready to go home.
I will tell you what it means tomorrow.
alright. We'll be back up.
How do I delete part of an email before projects? Who cares? Part of an email. Don't send it until you're sure. Are you sure about this?
Yeah.
What does it mean? Someone's rocking my cab because it's not me.
Are you on Instagram?
I'm everywhere. Hi, Lena Trucker.
Right. I'll find you.
I will find you. Anything else I can give you?
Thank you very much.
What's your name?
Marlon.
Marlon. Marlon.
Marlon.
I like your name. Listen, we're coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Are you struggling in there? Oh!
Oh, hang on a minute. You can't see.
Your tail is lost.
So I open the tent, I'll stand out here for 2 minutes and walk up the
Oh,